Alright, today we're going to fire up the pump and see if the pool runs. So, I don't know why they chose to close these valves. I found them closed, so we're just going to open them. Your water. Okay, that opened. And for the pump itself, the gasket is in there. I'm not going to put any lube on that right now, but I am going to open the main drain. Puff of air, that's a good sign. And we're going to put our multi-port selector to recirculate right there. Hearing bubbling and gurgling, and in fact some water came out of the main drain and into the pump, so maybe that's a good sign. Now we'll get some water in it. Alright, we're gonna spray some water in, try to prime this. And we're going to keep spraying water here. Let me come this way. Put the hose in there. Well, I put a lot of water in there until it actually overflowed, and then it drained back. We'll keep adding water. The more you can put in, the better a chance it's going to catch prime. 2 years ago it took 2 minutes to catch prime. Last year it took 3 minutes. Alright, if it's going to have a shot at it, now would be the time. It's still draining back, which I guess is a good sign. Put the lid on. It's in recirculate mode. Tighten the lid cover down. And now it's officially time to flip the switches. Breaker 1, breaker 2. So nothing blew up yet. That's good. And then we'll go back to the pump for whatever you can see or not. And here we go. Now the main idea here is to make sure you have water going in. I can't see too well because of the clouded up cover, but the different sounds it's making tend to indicate that water's going in. You're going to get a little bit in, a little bit out, a little bit in, a little bit out. I feel movement in the pipes. That's a great sign. There's bubbling and stuff going on. Gurgling. I see water moving. Oh yeah. Oh, she's picking up. may sort of stall out on us. It looks like this chlorinator is leaking pretty good again. But things seem to be moving, so let's go over to the pool. Yes, we have water movement. There's bubbling. Down over here somewhere there's bubbling. There you are. More bubbling. And we're looking about the same here. There, I was able to squeeze a little more out of that. Sounds are changing. Oh, that looks like it's working out some more air. So that all looks good, but I gotta fix the chlorinator here. For whatever reason, I don't know why, this thing leaks every year. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a crack in it. I did not even tighten it yet. I just did it by hand. I got it so it's dripping just a little bit, but that's got a crack in it, and it's not going to make a good seal. The pump is leaking merrily. I don't know if you can see that. Somewhere, if I back out. I don't know what to do anymore because I got the pump serviced last year. They replaced the entire innards of it, all seals, the impeller, everything, even the drain plugs. And yet it still comes out. It may be coming out from the fitting over here, I don't know. And we still have a lot of air in the pump, but I'm too afraid to tighten this thing, so I might just leave it. Or I may tighten it a drop. I don't know. But basically what I'm seeing is not good. And I'm not liking it. But such is. It's sort of running for now. But I think we're going to just leave it there while I figure out what I'm going to do. And then we'll carry on opening up the filter and the skimmers and stuff like that. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.